Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right to access the network. This avoids legal trouble and saves time. Once done, check your Android version and model because menu names vary. Make sure the router is powered and you know the admin account on the device or have physical access to it. Install only well-reviewed Play Store apps for network management if needed, and have a USB cable ready in case you must tether or use ADB for legitimate recovery tasks. Next, you access the router interface from your Android. Connect directly to the network or tether so you can reach the router IP. Common addresses are 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. Use the browser and enter the admin credentials. If you legitimately forgot them, perform a factory reset on the router only when you own it or have permission and know it will erase settings. Make sure to note the wireless settings page, where SSID and security keys are stored. Finally, you recover or reset the Wi-Fi key through the router's wireless security section. View the WPA/WPA2 passphrase or replace it with a new strong password. After making changes, save and apply settings, then reconnect your Android to confirm success. If things fail, reboot router and phone, check for firmware updates, and ensure encryption is supported by your device. If you had to reset the router, reconfigure admin credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.